So find the domain and the range of the function f of x is equals to x squared plus 6x minus 3 over 5x plus 7. Alright, so the possible output for this function, which is the range, is everything starting from negative infinity to positive infinity. The key for this fraction is the domain, because for the domain you cannot have a 0 in the denominator because this won't be valid. So this means that that denominator cannot be 0. If that's the case, this means that we have 5x cannot be equals to negative 7. Then x cannot be equals to negative 7 over 5. So equate that 5x plus 7 to 0. Then whatever value you find, x cannot be that value. So that's your domain. So the domain is that x should not be negative 5 over 7. Now you might wonder to say, what if it is negative 5 over 7? This is what will happen. If you look at the denominator, we have 5x plus 7. So if the denominator is, or rather if x is negative 7 over 5, the value that we're avoiding, 5 here cancels that, then we'll remain with negative 7 plus 7. So this will give us a 0. So the fact that we're getting a 0 in the denominator, meaning that it's undefined. That's the reason why x cannot be negative 7 over 5. So every value is valid except the value negative 7 over 5. So that's our domain.